There's an MC4 cable, car charger, and AC charger, and that's how it looks like. And we're about to unbox it right now. USBs, an AC adapter, 2 AC adapters and 3 DC adapters, and a 60-watt PD Type-C port. All right, let's see. Now I was looking on Amazon and I noticed a lot of people got the Jackery portable power station, or what was it? The EcoFlow, and nobody really did a review on this one, so I decided to get this one because I mean NinjaBatt sounds kind of catchy. So I decided to get this. Here's like a little manual comes with it. So I get this and give you guys a little review. And you can plug in a solar panel, which I got. Okay, there's that. Okay, there it is. So here's the thing. Okay, we'll go off to that in a second. Let's see what's in here. Here's the AC adapter right here, so you can charge it. Right there. Open this box, and I guess this is for if you want to charge it in your car, or if you have like a 12-volt outlet, put that in there. And I guess this goes if you want to charge it in a wall socket. And we got some more. Oh, I think this is for like a solar panel. Yeah, I think this is like for a solar panel. And there you go. What's in the other box. So right off the bat, I don't know how much this weighs. Let me look it up real quick. According to Amazon, it's around 7.3 pounds. Yeah, but I can pick it up with one arm. You can pick it up with one arm. I like this little strap that's on it, so you can pick it up. It seems pretty sturdy. As you can see, I don't think it's gonna break pretty easily. The strap that's on it. And there's some rubber coating on here. I like that. Seems kind of rugged. I think this should be good for camping. Let's see if the light turns on. Oh, the light turns on right out the box. And there you go. That's brighter. It's even brighter. It's like it's just 3 modes. It's like regular, and then brighter mode, and then super bright mode. Turn it off. And oh! So right now it says it's got 99 hours, battery's at 73%. Right out the box. And let's see what's under. There's nothing underneath, it's just rubberized coating, which is pretty cool. I like that. So you can pick this up on Amazon. I guess right now it's going for, this is March 7th, it's going for $250 for the 2021 300 watt version. I mean, so far it's looking good. So there you go. There's the unboxing of the NinjaBatt 300 watt portable power station.